So, how's everything been with the song and scales? How's it been?
Scales is good.
Mm-hmm.
I know I need practice on the extension of both scales.
Okay.
Of G and D, and then the song I got to measure 7, and then I started practicing 8.
Okay. Okay, that's very good. Okay, that's cool. Let's just do basics of the scales, right? I'm just gonna make you do G, right? So let's do each hand 1 octave. Turn it up because it's a little low. One more time. Perfect. How many sharps are there in G?
1.
Which one is that?
F.
Great. Okay, let's do extension. Like, let's just do 2 octaves. Take it slow. There you go. Right. So that definitely needs some more practice. Let's do it one more time. You're definitely losing yourself a little bit. Let's do this. Let's do it together, okay? I want you to go a little bit to the left, that way I can do it with you. And bring me the binder. Let's put it right. Okay, let's do it from G. Alright? So let's start. Let's take it very slow. Very slower.
Oh.
So let's do that again. I want you to feel comfortable with transitioning, because that's what I feel that you're uncomfortable with. You're like, okay, well, one is switching first. Do I switch to the next one?
Yeah.
Like, sometimes you will switch at the same time. Sometimes you won't, right? So again, revision, right? With the right hand, it's 1, and then we go 5, right? And then the left. Right? Left. You have no doubt how each hand works. I need you to work more on doing them together. That's what I need you to work on. 1000%. Like, next class you come, you need to have it down, right? And then we work on next scales, right? And you're gonna start getting more black keys, right? So, but let's do it together, okay? So. Keep it there. And go back down, right? 1 octave. Right, okay, so we gotta observe your right hand, right? So let's do it slow, okay? So something with your right hand that you should remember, because, how do I put it? Here's the way I think of scales a little bit, right? When I'm playing, especially, like, how do I put it? Like for the left hand, right? it's 5-3. So you're gonna really just wait until you run out of fingers. At this point, I don't have I don't have the rest, you know. So, I already used them. Like I'm not even thinking 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, I'm just thinking. All right, well, did I run out? Okay, cool. Right. Same thing with the right. You understand me? Like, sure, you actually don't run out here. You could use these, but you have to get used to. What is it? If you can automatically think, okay, well, my hands are running out here, then really the only hand you need to be focusing is on which one?
The right.
The right one. And then same thing. So now here, I know that this is how it's gonna work, right? I need to let this hand run out of fingers, and now I need to focus on the left one. Did that make sense, or is that a little confusing?
That makes sense.
Makes sense? Okay, so I'm gonna explain that one more time. I need my hands to run out here. I know my hands are gonna run out here. So what do I need to pay attention to if I'm getting confused when I should cross over? It's the right hand. And I know the right hand is gonna be 3-5, right? Because if not, it would be the same, right? So, okay. And I know 3 are always gonna coincide. 3 are always gonna coincide. Now this hand initially ran out, but that means that this one I have to pay attention to. I paid attention to this hand first, now I have to pay attention to this one. So always feel emphasis on the 3. Always, 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 always feel like, oh, my hands landed, I'm doing the scale right. That's how you know you're gonna end with the right finger. Right? So let's do it one more time. And let's do it very slow, okay? Was that better or?
Yeah, that was better.
Okay, that's good. Again, practice, practice, practice. Next class, I need you to have both hands down. Like no fear, no doubt, no nothing, right? So, especially 1 octave. If you don't get 2 octave, I want you to get 2 octave. But if you don't, okay, but you need to have 1 octave.
Yeah.
You understand me? So, let's see. Let's try 2 octaves. Okay, let's do it. And this, take it slow, right? This one is going to be a little more difficult because you're resetting your hands, right? So it's not like, okay, well, but think about it like this. Look, I'm going to pay attention to how I do right now. Okay, my left hand, I'm only paying attention to my right one, right? Now, let's see how I do this. Hold on 1 second. Let me see. Pay attention to your right. What is it? If you're going up, you're always going to have to pay attention to your right.
And if you're going down, pay attention to your left.
Exactly. So, I'm going to do it. I have to pay attention to where I'm going to turn my right. Because here, like, it just kind of ends. Right? And then it's going to be a little confusing, but take it slowly. That's really all I can tell you. You have to take it slowly, but you do need to get it done. Okay? Let's do it, okay? Let's go. Both thumbs. Remember, we're resetting, right? So you cannot have doubt. You end here, you're done. That's it. You're done with the scale. You're never continuing, right? So let's start again. I need you to have no doubt that you will be putting a thumb down here, okay? Let's go.
Okay.
Not mine. Look at yours. Okay. Let's go. Slower. up a little bit on those scales, but that's the last thing we're gonna do. We're gonna look. We're gonna look at this because you need to keep on reading the scales. Oh, that's great. Okay, marvelous. Oh, you've done other scales.
Yeah, I think this. I was supposed to put minor for here.
As major?
Yeah, I think that was supposed to be minor because it has a flat.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, okay.
It's not. It's not. It's minor. Sorry. I messed it up. But that is just because it has a flat doesn't mean it's minor.
Okay.
There are a bunch of flats. There could be all flats and it's major. They can be all sharps. They can be major too. So I'll show you about that later, right? So, so you did it right. Let's see. What I need you to do when practicing is referring to this because I feel like we need to get back to the basics, right? At the beginning, I made you read it as you were doing it. So that's what I need you to do, right? Because when it comes to going up and back down on 2 octaves, at this point, it's not just about finding out, oh, well, are my hands gonna run out? No, like you just need to know the pattern. So let's do it, right? G major, dual extended. Let's look at this. This is your right. This is your left, right? So think about which one you have more trouble with. If it's right, look at right. Okay, let's go. Oh, sorry. Anyway, that's me. And take it very slow, much slower. Okay. Only 1 octave. So we're looking at this. Okay. Sorry, I made you look here. But anyway, go ahead. Go for it. Treble or bass? Treble. Do you feel like you have more trouble with that hand? Or no?
Going up, no. Coming down, yes.
Okay. So how about we do this? Going up, read bass, and going down, read treble. Try it. See if it works. I don't know. Not that you did bad, but see if that maybe triggers something in your head. Maybe it makes you feel more comfortable. Go ahead. I did it too. Let's go. Let's do it from the beginning. This is the beginning. Okay, go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. I'm actually gonna count it. Okay, let's keep going again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. F sharp. 1, 5, 4, 3. What's that?
It's hard.
It's so hard. It's so hard to say it out loud. Okay, let's do it one more time though. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, power 3. Oh, because you're reading bass. Okay.
Yeah.
So I was reading bass and then doing treble.
Oh yeah, chest switch.
Yeah. So I'm reading it the same way I told you to read it. Okay. Let's do it one more time. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. You know the tricky part is because I can't repeat.
Yeah.
I can't repeat, right? So let's do it one more time. Let's see if I get it right. But
that helped a bit.
that did?
I think I did.
That's good. That's good. Let's do it one more time. 5. G. All right. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right. Now let's do the crazy part, the dual extended, and let's take it much slower than that. So I know it's slow, but you gotta do slow, okay? And then we'll go faster, right? So I'm gonna read bass. I'm I'm gonna read bass. I'm gonna go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I'm gonna try and do very slowly. Okay. I'm just gonna read it out loud. You think or listen to me or don't, however it works for you, right?
Okay.
But I'm just gonna try and see how that works. Okay. Let's do it. 5. Slower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2. Ah! You got it. Keep going. Perfect. Yes. Okay, that was perfect. That was perfect. Because I messed up, but you did it perfectly. That's great. I love that. Did that work?
Yeah.
Did that work? Okay, that's cool. All right. I'm going to try to do it with you. If I mess up, you just keep going, but I'm going to still say it out loud, okay? So let's go. Let's go for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep it there. I messed up. Go ahead. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If you have to start over. I don't know.
I don't think I'm correct.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Perfect. Oh my God. Perfection. Perfection. I will say this, now that I'm reading it, it's written a little wrong, right? Check this out. Let's look at this. Let's look. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4. 1. Actually, hold up 1 second. It's on the way back down. The thing is, that's tricky to write. Hold up. 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm tripping. Don't even pay attention to me. All right, I've never said anything. So okay, but you are doing it perfect. That's what I need you to do. When you come back, you need to have both. You need to have it down. 1 octave and 2 octaves. You need to have it down. And if this helps you, this is what I need you to do. All right? Maybe doing it by yourself, even me doing it by myself, like when I actually do it, I was like, oh, I messed up a little bit, right? Even this helped me a lot more, right? So read it, and you're like, okay, right? When I look at 5, 4, I'm like G, A, B, and I feel that I'm playing those notes, really.
Yeah.
So that's very good, right? Let's do mirrored. Let's see if you can do mirrored.
G mirror.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do mirror extended.
What?
That's why I moved a little bit. That's okay. You go.
Is that A? I mean, is that G?
That
That is A.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. So let's start like.
You're gonna end up in the same place. So move up a little bit. There you go. Right there. Perfect. Very good. Always remember when you're doing mirrored that it's much easier than doing like dual in the same direction because the pattern's the same, right? It's like
You just have to know which
sharp.
which one is gonna hit sharp.
I like that I saw that you figured it out. I was like, oh my God. Because when I started doing it, I would mess up all the time. And because I'm like, well, if I'm doing sharp here, then that means I'm doing sharp here. No,
Yeah.
that's not how it works. I love seeing that. That's very good, right? And it keeps you conscious of what scale you're playing. Keeps you conscious of where the F sharp is, regardless of the fact that your brain is separated in 2 different ways, right? So that's very good. Again, I need dual. I need to have it down by next class, right? Now we're gonna work a little bit on the song today, and then we're gonna do a fun exercise. Right? It's like a little bit of a brain twister. So
You gonna do D major?
no.
No.
Maybe we might do it today, but it'll be fun, right? So we're gonna look at this song. We're gonna look at the first page. I want to get the first page down, right? It's right here. Perfect. So, oh, okay.
Because that's where I was like, I wanted to use 1, 2, 3, but it was saying 2, 3. I was like 2.
Well, this is D. What note is this?
A.
Uh-huh.
That's why I was like, it is.
I'll actually show you why it wants you to do that. I actually haven't looked at this since the last time I had class with you. But let's work on the first 3 parts. I want to hear how you got down through 5 through 7, right?
Wait, only this part or start
From the beginning. Okay. Take it slow. Take it out however you need to take it. Go ahead. Perfection. I love it. Okay, that sounds amazing. I love it. I'm like, I love to hear the confidence in you playing. No hesitation. You said I'm pulling through. I'm pushing through. That's exactly how you need to play. I love to hear it. No hesitation. That's perfect. A little bit at the end, but that's okay. We'll work on that. Right. Let's actually look at that really quick. That is right. A, E, and F. Right. So how does it go?
The bass will be the last one playing after it's like
Right there.
yeah, like
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Right. Correct. Right. So your bass is gonna play a little longer than your red, or play, I guess, right after you play the right hand.
Yeah.
So, perfect. So let me look right a little bit onto the other one, right? Right. What we have here, this is F, right? And this is C.
F and C.
So this means it's after C.
D.
Right. So. Actually, that's actually not even exactly like the first part where it's usually. No, it's not, because you see we have this and then we have another change, right? So we have F and C with D, C, D, G sharp. Sorry, it's not G sharp. It's F sharp. F sharp and C. F sharp and C with D, and then what is that?
C and F. Well, C
This is F sharp. What comes right after F sharp? G. So G, C. So let's look at my hands. Look at my hands, right? So I'm gonna point it out, and then I'm gonna point you here, right? So I'm gonna actually get a little closer. Here, actually I was playing wrong. So F right here. Look, F, C. This is D. So this is F, C, D, right? You notice that?
3 different changes.
Exactly. Perfect. You caught on to it, right? So it's 3. What are the 3? Which ones? I'm pointing out to them.
C and F, and then C sharp and F.
C sharp, no. Okay, pay attention. I'm gonna play it one more time. Pay attention to the parts that change. So what did I do? not C. This is not C.
Wait, why am I saying C?
I don't know.
Where's the C? Oh, C
I see right here.
Okay, this is F.
This F. Okay. Oh.
I was like, wait, is that C sharp?
That's okay. That's okay. All right. So this is F. So which ones are the ones that are changing? You tell me.
F, F sharp, G.
Perfect. And everything else is the same.
Yeah.
Look. C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D. And you hear? Because there is no like end of the hand, right? But it's F.
F sharp and then G.
Perfect. So that's, I want you to do that with me right now, right? So I want you to click on like F, C. Perfect, right? You go. Again. Go ahead. Again. Again. Awesome. Perfect. That's perfection. Okay. So, and then, yes, treble, right? So treble is like, oh my God, they want me to start with 2. That's weird, right? Because for the rest of the song, does not matter. Every time we had a new like
Measure.
right. We had 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, right? Even this was 1, right? So, though it doesn't say 1, but it was 1. So, why are they making you do this? Because if you listen to the beginning, it's very sad, right? So the beginning is how does it go? A. How does this next part go? It goes like this. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna take it a little slower because I'm not too familiar with it. Something like that. But you sound you hear how it sounds a little happier. It's a what do you call it? I don't want to say a major change. I mean, I guess it is a little bit, you know. So it just changes its mode a little bit. It goes from minor to major, right? You're starting on what letter? Thank you.
Oh my God, what's happening?
Brain's a little twisted, huh? It's okay. But why are they making you do this? Let me tell you, the key part of playing piano, because not all music will come with finger indications. Even the most advanced music does come with finger indications, but not all of it will. What is the point of playing piano? Finding, I've told you, patterns is a big part of piano, but also finding the most convenient way to play, right? And the reason it's making you do that is because it will be the most convenient way to play, right? So I want you to pay attention to what I do. All right, I'm gonna read the music. A, B flat, C, B flat, A, B. And then I end up coming at 2. And why does it make you do this? Because eventually here, look, what note is this? You tell me. This is treble clef. What note is this? No. Go up if you need to count up. Count up.
Oh, G.
G. What a note is this? This was just G, so what is this?
G. Flat.
Correct. So what is the point I'm trying to make with you here? Notice how in the beginning of the song goes 1 2 3 3 2 1, and then at the second part goes 1 2 3 da 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 da, comes right back down. Same thing here. 1 2 3 3 2 1. 1 2 3 3 2 1. 1 2 da 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 da. Starting at 2 will be the most convenient point for you. It will, and you will see how. Right. So let's see. We have 2. I want you to actually listen as I read as I play. So. Sorry. I don't even know. I'm not even reading the rest of it. But what am I trying to make this point with, right? It's that, and interestingly enough, I need to put this behind. I want you to notice the following, or not even behind. I want you to just take this out.
This bird is getting bigger because more notes.
Right. So, a point that I want to make here is pay attention to this. Look at what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna point this out. It's not written out completely, but 2, 3, 1. Okay, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? What did it do? It did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It kept on going. It kept on doing a switch, and a switch. Right? It will be the most convenient because it needs you to get all the way down here. It needs to get super up there and all the way down there. And you're going to see how it works, right? So, let's do it again, right? I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to go from the beginning, right?
From 8.
From 8, correct. I'm going to do it again. I'm right here. God, it's a little tough. Sorry. This is G sharp, sorry. Alright, so let me play it a little bit for you. I want you to get a feeling how it sounds because that's going to make it more comfortable for you to play. You'll know what you're playing wrong because you're like, oh wait, I know what it sounds like right. Alright? So, you'll let me reviewed. F sharp. Alright? So, actually, how about you do that? How about you? I want you to do the bass part. I want you to go. You're gonna only do it for this part because it does change here eventually. Right, you're only gonna do it for here, but I want you to get a good tempo. So maybe that doesn't sound like the happiest thing, but I promise you it's definitely more happy than the previous minor, right? So yeah. There are different modes in music. There's pentatonic, there's, God, so many onyx, I can't even remember, probably the sonic one anyway, but it is crazy, but it's definitely happier than the previous one, right? So I want you to do it one more time with me, right? And that's the importance of having a good bass and a good tempo, right? Because you're the one kind of guiding it for me right now. So go ahead. So, now I want you to learn the right hand, right? And take it slow and take appreciation in reading what your fingers should be on. So go for it, right? You start on A, and I never introduced this to you. I'm so sorry, right? But I think you did pick up on it, right? Those little flats, those are accidentals, right?
Oh yeah, this
one. Exactly. This is not a flat. This is a natural.
Well, actually, yeah.
Right, that one.
Or
accidentals, right? So in pieces of music, for example, like this one, you see this? This has 3 flats here. Sometimes, for example, this entire music, when you are playing it, you know you will play B flat, E flat, and A flat, regardless of what the note is, right? It's kind of like with a scale, right? When I tell you G major scale, you know every time you run into an F, you're gonna play F sharp. Exactly.
Same thing with when you read the music. When it starts with 3 flats, and you know that means B flat, A, E flat, and A flat, you know every time you run into an A here, it's not gonna write A flat or B flat. You just know it is, right? But when you see things like this, it says, hey, you're not gonna be playing. For example, this is right here, right? That one, that's an A, but the key signature says what?
Flat.
A flat. But here it says what? What is that? That's a natural. Natural. I'm so sorry if I haven't introduced this before. I'm introducing it to you now. I'm so sorry. Right? So that means, hey, where you would normally play an A flat, you're not playing an A flat, you're playing an A natural.
Okay.
Right? Here too, look at these. This is